You see, they have so injured this party in this state. The FCT minister, Aaron Chukwemeka, Martin Samehule, and co. They have so injured the PDP. They have caused so much pains to members of PDP in this state. My first target as the chairman of the party is to heal the wound first. The wound they have inflicted on the party. We have to heal the wound. We have to hold widespread consultation to make sure that we unite members. We have to restore hope. The hope that members have lost in the party, we have to restore it. We have to ensure that we embark on membership drive. Because politics, party is about election. In a short while, we'll be preparing for 2027 election. We have to embark on membership drive. So all these are plans we will carry out in the next few days. We will also announce a disciplinary committee in no distant time, because all those that have contributed to the pains in PDP will have to look at their cases. They have been involved in anti-party activity. They have been involved in action that have brought the party to disrepute. We have to put up a disciplinary committee to look at the cases of members that have got involved in anti-party activity. Those whose cases are extreme, we will expel them from the party. Those that require suspension, we will suspend them. Those whose cases are minimal, we will leave them in the party. The most important thing is that we have to heal the wound. We have to heal the injury. We have to restore hope to the party. Because I have said it in different fora, and I'm still saying it, that if he's powerful, so popular, that he should go and register a political party. Patriotic Nigerians registered PDP. If you go to the list of founding fathers of the party, his name is not there now. Was he a member of the founding fathers? We will suspend him. By the time we set up the disciplinary committee, the disciplinary committee will look at his case. If he requires expulsion, we will expel him from the party. If he requires suspension, we will suspend him. If he doesn't have a case, we'll leave him in the party. But we must take action against him. Action must be taken against him.